Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike. A product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! Honda Philippines Incorporated Motorcycle Division recently held the 22nd leg of the Honda One Make Race Series at the Cagayan Sports Complex Oval Field in Tuguegarao City. The off-road race event was exclusive for XRM 110 motorcycle riders, which included different categories such as Super Stock Novice, Super Stock Expert Modified Novice, and Modified Expert. There were also special races like the XRM 125 Open category, the Ladies Race, and the Executive Race. It was a sunny race day, and dozens of riders joined the event to maximize and enjoy the potential of their Honda XRM bikes in a safe racing environment.
How did you find our race today? Kumusta yung race natin ngayon?
Ayos naman po. Medyo tricky lang. Dahil may oval kasi medyo madulas. Yun lang naman, madali naman po siya pag yung wala lang disgrasya, gano'n.
Ilang taong ka na bang nagsumasali dito?
Bali po, second time pa lang po, third time po to, pero dalawang time na po to na national. Una po yung sa Fort Bonifacio, tapos this po.
Alam mo, si Ralph is a member of Tuguegarao Speed Riders Club, no? Ralph, kahit sa The Fort, no? One Make Race, dumadayo sila. So, talagang ngayon, nung dinala namin dito with your invitation, salamat nga pala, nag-champion ka sa wakas, ano?
Yun nga po. Chamba lang.
So, Jerry, hanggang sa kaduluduluhan ng Norte, nandito ko pa rin.
Mas okay to, land trip mas mapupuntahan ko to. Kaya nandito ulit kami para sumuporta sa One Make Race.
Pero mukhang dito, nakaisa ka lang. In the previous races, medyo marami. Kumusta naman yung mga local racers dito? Dumadayo din to sa Manila, di ba?
Oo, dumadayo din sila pag may race sa Manila. Kasi sa nangyari sa expert stock, naputol yung preno ko yung mismong tapakan kaya nawala Pero okay lang. Bawi na lang sa susunod.
Matanong ko, Jer, pang ilan na ba yan? Baka mamaya puno na yung nilalagyan mo doon.
Bali pang, siguro, 9 times na nag-first place ako sa
Di ko mo, Jerry Beats, regular, suki ng Honda One Make Race. Jack, sabi mo kanina, bumiyahe ka ng 8 hours. Saan ba kayo nanggaling?
Ilocos po, Narbacan.
Narbacan, Ilocos. Ilang oras yung binahe nyo?
8 hours po.
Ganun ka talaga ka-loyal sa Honda, no? So, kumusta naman? Ngayon nanalo ka. First time ba yan o pang ilan na yan?
Marami na po. Tapos, nag-champion po ako sa Clark, Pampanga. 3 po yung champion ko po doon.
So, maasahan ba namin sa mga susunod na races, dadayo ka, 8 hours yun. Kung gawin namin, let's say sa Bicol, kasali ka ba doon?
Opo.
Ganun. Ganun talaga ka-loyal yung Honda, no? Okay. Ang dami din taong pumunta dito. We had about 5, no less than 5,000. In the audience, they were so engrossed. Napaganda po ng laro natin. Stoplight TV fans, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga susunod pang Honda One Make Races. Abangan niyo po. Please also visit our website www.hondaph.com for further announcements. Stoplight TV, the number 1.
Catch more of the exciting Honda One Make Race Series, exclusively shown here on the Philippines All Motoring and All Motorsports Show. You're watching the world-class motoring program called Stoplight TV.
Ang idol sa kalsada, tama akong pumorma. Ito ang unang-una. Dress for safety. Lagi magsuot ng helmet, gloves, thick protective gear, at boots. Be protected always. Magmotor na may diskarte nang hindi maaksidente. This quick safety tip is brought to you by Honda Philippines, Honda Safety Driving Center, Honda Foundation, and Bantay Kalikatan.